Hello everyone. Through this video we are going to discuss from question number 3 in exercise 6.4, that is square and square roots, in the chapter of square and square roots. So I am starting with question number 3. What is given here? Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. So in the textbook, in question number 3, there are 5 decimal numbers given, of which we have to find out the square root. So I'm picking up a few out of this. Say I'm taking the first number. This is Roman 1, and that is what? 2.56. So in the solution part, what we have to do, given number is 2.56. We already know the division method in case of finding out square root of a number, so we shall prefer to proceed in this way only. So this is the number I am placing here, 2.56. so behind the decimal, I mean the point, two numbers we are getting here, so we can do pairing like this, and this is unpaired, 2 is unpaired. So we have to find out a number which is obtained just before 2, that precedes 2. So that number is nothing but 1. So 1 1 ja 1 here. So after subtraction, what result we get here? 2 minus 1, there comes 1. Then after, we shall consider here as if we do not have the square, the decimal. So directly 5 6 will come down. So what was the method in case of division method? I have to make this one double here. So if I make one double, I get here 2, means 2 1 ja 2 it is. So in this particular place, I have to place such a number, I mean such a digit, that has to be placed here in this place also. Number should be same in this case, so that when we multiply, suppose I consider here for this time being, I'm not very sure, just taking an example, I'm taking 6 here. If 2 along with 2 I place 6 here, here also I should put 6, and I should get that 6 into 26, the result should come as 156. So as we are not sure, we have to remove this. We have to be confirmed what number we are to place here, then only we shall be able to get the answer. So the units place here, I find that it is 6. So there are two ways only, either 4 4 ja 16, 6 will come, or 6 6 ja 36, 6 will come. So let us try with 4 first. Let us see what we get. If I place 4 along with 2 and multiply this, then what result do we get? 4 4 ja 16, 1 left, 2 plus 1, this is 8, 8 plus 1, this is 9, so this is not applicable. So there is only one way out, that is 6. If I place 6 here, let us check. If I place 6 here, 6 6 are 36, 3 left, 3 here in this case, 6 2 ja 12 plus 3, it will be 15. So here answer could be obtained. So nothing but 6 I have to place here in along with 2. So what did I get here? I shall place here 6, here also it is 6, then 156 could be obtained here. Then on subtraction, we shall be getting remainder 0. Now what is to be done with this point? This point will go exactly above this decimal. Okay, so here I get, after long division method, I mean division method, by division method, what shall I get? Square root of 2.56, here it comes to be 1.6. so this will be the answer. And remember one thing, this is not rough work, this part is a part of this solution, you must have to write it. Then I'm picking up another sum. The big numbers I'm taking, I would like to take. So next I'm taking Roman 3. The number given here is 51.84. 51.84. So let us check here what we get. By division method, what we shall get, like the previous one only, we have to proceed here with 51.84. let us do pairing from this end. Here also pairing. So before 51, what square number do we get? Of course it is 49. So 7 7 ja 49 can be placed here. Then after subtracting, we shall get here 2. Then after 84 as it is, come down. Then after I have to make this 7 double here. It will come as 14. 7 2 ja 14. Just multiply this 7 by 2. It will be 14 here. Now this place is to be filled in. What is the possibility? What number can be placed here? If I put here 2, will it come? Yes. If I place here 2, here also 2, I shall be getting 2 2 ja 4, 2 14 ja 28. So when we do subtraction, remainder will be 0, then point should go exactly above this. So result will be 7.2. So what can I write? Square root of 51.84. The answer will come as 7.2, means this is the answer. So this is the solution. Next, let's take another one. I'm taking Roman 4. Here in this case, given number is 42.25. So I'm going to write here by division method. What did I get? Let's proceed with division here. 42.25. From this end we shall have to do pairing. Before 42, what square number do we get? Of course it is 36. So I can place here 6 6 36. Then perform subtraction. 42 minus 36, result comes as 6. Then this 25 will totally come down in the form of a pair. So here in this case 6 is to be double, so 12 I get here. Now this place is to be filled in. Here also this place is to be filled in. So there is only one way out. If the units place is 5, then only this answer will come. So let us check whether 125 multiplied by 5 is 625 or not. Let us check. 125 by 5, 5 5 ja 25, 2 left, 60 62. So answer comes here. So I can place here 5. Here also 5 will come. Then this will be filled in. So remainder comes as 0. So I can write here 6.5 as the answer. Therefore square root of it is 42.25. The answer comes as 6.5. So this is the solution. So in the same way, the last number, Roman 5, can also be done. Next, let us come to question number 4. So this is question number 4 here. Now let us check what it says. Find the least number. Find the least number. Find the least number which must be subtracted. Which must be subtracted which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers, from each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square, so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained, of the perfect square so obtained. So this is the question here. Five questions are there under this question number 4. 5 numbers are given. Out of these I am picking up three numbers. So here I proceed with Roman 2. Roman 2 here. Given number is 1989. So in this case we shall proceed with division method only. By division method, let us check what result comes here. 1989. Let us do pairing from this end. Before 19, what square number would we get? Of course it is 4. 4 4 ja 16, means 16 is the square number obtained just before 19. On doing subtraction, when we subtract it, we shall be getting result 3 here. Then 89 in the form of pair will come down. Then after, like the previous questions, we have to make this 4 doubled, means 8 will come here. After this, what is to be placed so that the result will be a number nearest to 389 but less than it? We already understood that it is 1989 is not a square number, because a particular number is to be subtracted from 1989 so as to get a perfect square. That is why we have to choose any number, any square number, so that it is just nearest to 1989 but less than it. So with 8, what is to be placed? Let us check. By 3 if I multiply, then I shall be getting here 9. Then here it is 249. So there is possibility of getting one more chance, like 84 multiplied by 4, I shall be getting here 4 4 ja 16, 1 left, then 8 4 ja 32 plus 1 33. So this is possible. So I can place here in both these two places 4 4s so as to get 336. When we perform subtraction, we shall be getting 3 here, then this is 5. So here in this case we see that 53 comes as the remainder. Means had this number not been there with this one, this could be a perfect square. So what I have to write here, here we get remainder 53. So if 53 is subtracted from 1989, then perfect square can be obtained. Perfect square can be obtained. Therefore, the required perfect square number would be what? 1989. Because see, in this particular sum, whatever I did in this case of long division method, we have seen that the square number already, 44 square, some square number we already got here. But after completion of this whole method, there is a term which is left behind. Means if we subtract this particular term from this given term 1989, we shall be able to get that square number whose square root is 44. Okay, so here I get the required square number minus 53. The result will come as 6319. So 1936 is the square number. Therefore, square root of 1936 by division method. Let us check. 1936, do the pairing. Of course, by 4 I can divide this. 16, 336. As we did in the previous case, I have to make it double. If I place 4 here, the result will come as 336 on subtraction. So we are subtracting, this is 0. Therefore, square root of this is equal to 44. That is, we can write here square root of 1936 is equal to 44. So this is the required answer for it. Similarly, I shall pick up another number, that is Roman 3 here. This is another 4-digit number. So given number is 3250. So same method I would like to follow. Of course, I have to follow by division method. By division method, what would I get? Let us check. 3250. Do the pairing from this end. Before 32, what square number do we get? Yes, 25. So 5 5 ja 25 here. After doing subtraction, we shall be getting here 32 minus 25. Of course, it is 750. Next, I have to make this 5 double, and this will be 10. So what would I have to put here so as to get a number nearest to 750 but not equal to 750 or not greater than 750? So what could be done here? By 7 if I try, would it be possible? Yes, it is possible. 7 7 ja 49. Just 1 is left as remainder. So if I subtract 1, this one, from this number, then this 3250 will become a square number whose square root will be 57. So let us write down here. Since the remainder is equal to 1, therefore 1 when subtracted from 3250 a square, I mean a perfect square. A perfect square is obtained, and that is, what is that? 3250 minus 1, it is 3249. So 3249 is the perfect square number and its square root, and square root of 3249. How would we find out? Like the previous one, actually we already got it. It is just a verification. Pairing is done. 5 5 ja 25. Then after 7, sorry, I made a mistake. This I should consider this here as 49, the new number. Okay, this new number we have to consider. This is 49. So 749, when we make it double, so it is 10, and when I put 7 here, then it will be 749. So after subtraction, this is 0 here. So required square root is of course 57. So I can write here 57. So this is the required answer. Next, I shall be picking up another number, that is Roman 5. The number given is 4000. Given number is 4000 by division method. By division method, what would I get? Let us divide exactly in the same way we have to proceed as we did already. Pairing should be done. So just before 40, what square number do we get? 36. So 6 6 ja 36 we can write here. Then again 4 is left, 400. So after subtraction, so we have to make it double, 12, and we have to get a number which is smaller to 400 but nearest to 400. So here if I put 3 here, by putting 3 I shall get 9, then 36, 369. On subtraction, what would we get? Is it 31? Yes, 31 comes as a remainder. So here I shall write, since the remainder is equal to 31, therefore subtracting 31 from 4000, we shall get a perfect square number. Perfect square number, and that is 4000 minus 31. What could be the answer? Of course it is 3969 after subtraction, and square root of 3969. Let us find it out. Already we got it, just this is verification. 3969. Let's do pairing. So 6 6 ja 36 we can put here. Let's do subtraction. 369, let's make it double, 12. Can I put 3 here? Yes, of course I can put 3 here. This will be 9, then 36. On subtraction, result will be 0. So this will act as the square root. So 63 is the required square root here. So this is the answer for question number 4. Next, we shall proceed to question number 5. So here is question number 5. question number 5. What does it say? In question number 5, what is said? Find the least number. Find the least number which must be added. Which must be added. Which must be added to each of the following numbers. To each of the following numbers. Each of the following numbers, so as to get a perfect square. So as to get a perfect square. So as to get a perfect square. Also find a square root. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. Of the perfect square so obtained. So here there are 5 questions given under this. So I shall pick up Roman 2 first. So the number given here is 1750. 1750. So in this case, what do I get? By long division method, by or you can say division method. By division method, let us check. Let us divide 1750. Let's do pairing like this. So the first number that will come here is 4. 4 4 ja 16, because it is nearest square number to 17. So 1 is left, 50 will be coming down. We have to make 4 double like this. Then after I have to place a number here along with 8, so that we shall be getting a number just nearest to 150. So what could be the number here? If I write 82, if I put 2 with this, 82 into 2, it will be 164, which is bigger than 150. So there is only one way out. Here I have to put 1. So result will be 81. Then on subtraction, what result do we get? On subtraction, here it will be 9. Then 69 will be the remainder. Now very clearly, it is very clear that square of this number means some square number will be there. Out of this means whenever I shall square 41, this number is nearest to 1750 but not equal to it. Means square of 41 is less than 1750 but not equal to this number. So we have to find out what is the minimum, actually what number should be added to this number so as to get the minimum square number next to 1750. So let us check here. Since remainder is equal to 69, very clearly 41 square is less than 1750. The next perfect square number is equal to 42 square. 42 square. And what could be this result? 42 square means what is the result? Let's find it out. 42 into 42, result comes as 484. Then after 8, then 4, 1764. 1764. Now to get this value with this number, how much is to be added? Let us find out. Therefore, the required number to be added to 1750 is equal to, just from this number 1764, if we subtract 1750, the number to be added we can obtain, and that is 14. That is 1750 plus 14 is equal to 1764, which is the next square number, 42 square. Therefore its square root is, hence square root of the next perfect square 1764 is of course 42. So this is how we have to find out the answer. Next I shall come to Roman 4. So here goes Roman 4. The number given is, the given number is equal to 1825. 1825 by division method. What would we get? Let us check. 1825. Let's do pairing. Then I can put here 4 4 ja 16. Put minus here. Then 225. I have to make this 4 double, that is 8. Then what number should be put here so as to get any number nearest to 225? What number could be put here? If I put T3, this will be bigger than 225, yes or no? Yes, it will be bigger. Therefore only one way out in my hand, that is what I have to place here, 2, which will result into 4. Yeah, this is the answer, 164. On subtraction, what would we get? 1. Then here it is 61 is the remainder. Since remainder is equal to 61, remainder is equal to 61. Very clearly we can see that 42 square is less than 1825. Therefore the next perfect square is 43 square. That is actually it lies in between 1825 lies in between 42 square and 43 square. So after this, here 43 square, let us check what result we get. 43 into 43, 3 3 ja 9, then here it is 12, then again 12, 1 left, it is 17. So 9 4 8 1 1 8 4 9. Therefore, required number to be added to 1825 is equal to what? Like the previous one, from this square number 1849, I have to subtract 1825, and let us check what answer we get. Of course, it is 24. 24 is to be added, that is 1825 plus 24 is equal to 1849. Therefore, required square root is equal to square root of 1849. The answer, of course, comes as 43. So this is how we can solve this kind of sum. Thank you.